Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Sidekick Crafts. You guys, I am participating in a really fun collaboration hosted by Creating with Jovi, Black Whisper Crafts, and Scrapbook and Memories. We are creating with Jovi's DigiKit called Gothic Girls, and it is awesome for the holiday season, for the Halloween holiday season. And I will be sharing my project with you. Each day in September, somebody is going to be participating in this project, and you'll have a list of the dates and the people that are participating in my description box. And today's my turn. So I am showing you what I created with Jovi's kit. I actually printed, you guys, digitals aren't just for paper. I printed it on fabric. You can buy the printable fabric on Amazon, and I printed part of it on fabric so I could use it for my beautiful cover here. I used some lace around the trim, some black lace that I had in my stash. I left some scraggly threads there. I used some beaded trim that was in my stash, a doily, some more lace. It's on this purple, I've got some purple sari silk here. It's like got green in it. It's from a costume that I had from Halloween years ago. On the back, I've got this gorgeous, soft, I don't know what this is, like velvety fabric that I had. And I've got this doily here. Really fun journal. And I'm going to show it to you. So this one is going to be available by now. By the time you see this video, it will be available on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in that, it will be available to you there. You can go check it out and pick up a journal for yourself. So once you open it, we've got some more of that fabric. This is also from the DigiKit. Inside, this is a tuck spot right here. So you can tuck something important. You can stamp a title there. And then this is from the DigiKit as well. It's just a really fun kit. There's some I didn't get to use all of it, but there are some really fun patterns to use that are in there. And then I backed it with, this is also in the DigiKit. Got some decorative stuff going on in here, some stenciling. I left a lot of room for journaling in here. I thought, you know, for Halloween, people like to put a lot of pictures in their journaling and scrapbooking so that they can remember their parties or their kids' parties and stuff. This is some old rustic envelope that I used. I made a wax seal for it that's, you know, it's not actually sealed, but then there's some matching corresponding paper that goes in there. Some scrap paper that can be used throughout the journal. Maybe tuck a note inside somewhere. There's a lot of coffee dyed paper with some lace patterning on there. This is also from the DigiKit. Lots of papers. I thought the moons were a good fit for this project. Some bones. These are these papers were from they're not from the Digi, they're from I don't know where they're from. They're randoms that were in my stash from last year's Halloween stuff, and I tucked them away. I do not remember where they came from, but these are 6x6 papers that came in a kit somewhere along the way. Did some stenciling there. This is also from her kit. And this was more of those 6x6 papers. Got some music papers in there. Some coffee dyed. I had fun with that coffee dyed paper. I had these big numbers. I thought they were just kind of different, but they kind of went with the theme. This was from the DigiKit. I love my blue butterflies. They're so pretty. Some stenciling. Lots of papers for notes and writing in. This is definitely a journal that was intended to be written in and decorated because, you know, it's the holidays. That's what we do for Halloween. It's so fun to take the pictures and put them somewhere. And you can add, you know, notes or, you know, candy wrappers or stuff like that. I mean, whatever. Lots of things you can do. I actually tucked some ephemera in here. I have this die cut it for my stash. Then I put some playing cards in there that I thought really went well. And some doilies that can be used throughout the journal to decorate or for whatever. I had this piece of netting on my desk, and I thought it would be fun, I don't know, texturally to add in here. It's kind of a fun little piece of something that would be fun. Got some washi tape and some different Project Life type cards. Just some random different things that could be used throughout the journal to decorate it, or for us, maybe something else. These are from the DigiKit. Those Gothic girls. This is a pocket that I made with a fun card in there. This would be cute decorated Halloween with some writing space with some antique paper on the back. Got stenciling throughout. And this was a little tag that I had made in a little pocket with a picture. More from, this is not from the DigiKit, but this is. Little haunted house. I had a lot of fun with this one. A lot of fun with this one. The Digi was fun. Just the images were fun. This is washi tape used in there. Got to use some of my papers. Apothecary, that was fun to use in there. I really liked it. This is from the DigiKit. This is how I use the doilies in there, the paper doilies. They're really thick and sturdy, so they make great page tabs. I think I used one for page tab in here too. Lots of paper for writing. Put some different things in here. This is from the kit. It's just a little, I just cut it out for use to glue in or whatever. A couple of tags that I made. There's writing space on this one. You could put a picture on this one. This was some washi tape that I had. I can't find that washi tape. I need to find it. I don't think I used it all. I was looking for it the other day to make a book binding, and I can't find it. All right, these are also from the kit. Another Gothic girl. Just a lot of fun pages. This is also a little opening. You could put a picture in here. I just tucked a card and some ephemera in there. There's another doily I use for decorative. A haunted house. Some music, because you always find music in a haunted house. And this is a little envelope that was gifted to me. Tuck some goodies in there. I thought it went well. There's some more ephemera. I'm sorry, this is also from the digitals, what I meant to say. And I tucked this little file folder in here that I made. Put something in there. I just kind of, you made it into a tuck. I added a tag in there for you that I made. And then added some ephemera here. And then this opens up. There's a little note in here. So it's kind of like a little hidden spot. This one flips back open. So you can write in there or add pictures or photos or pictures or photos. Pictures are, you could write in there, whatever you want to do. Some extra space in there. Added a bunch of goodies in here. This is another cutout that was from the digital kit. Got a tag, some tickets, some bingo cards, and another tag. So just some fun things. Once again, that can be used in to decorate your journal. Make it however you want to, or just leave them there for fun. more from that. And then this is the end of the book. This is also from the DigiKit. And at the end of the book, if you saw that, I have made a little booklet that can go in here. And this is just plain copy dyed paper, just to write in or whatever. It can be removed. Quite a few pages of copy paper. So that's going to be in there. And I made a little bonus. I made a little pouch. So this is a zip open pouch, and I've actually added some of Jovi's digitals to that pouch, made patches and sewed around them. And so that will coordinate as well. So that is my project share. I had a lot of fun with this digital kit. Thanks, ladies, for inviting me. I had a lot of fun with it and really, really enjoyed using them. You guys, this is going to be all included in my Etsy shop. And again, you can find that link in the description box. So I hope that you enjoyed it also. Please check out all the other crafters. They are doing such a fabulous job with these digitals and just really making some beautiful projects. I hope you enjoy them. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.